30 days to reprogram your brain, the Billionaire operating system. Okay, so here's a question that's going to sting a little. What if everything holding you back isn't your circumstances, your lack of money, or your bad luck? What if it's just your operating system? Think about it. Your brain is running on software that was installed years ago by your parents, by school, by society. And that software, it's completely obsolete. While you're running Windows 95, billionaires are running something you've never even seen. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to give you a 30-day program to completely reprogram your mind. This isn't motivational fluff. This is a systematic upgrade based on how the most successful entrepreneurs and thinkers actually operate. 4 weeks, 30 days, one new operating system. By the end, you won't just think differently, you'll be different. Welcome to the Edge IQ. Let's upgrade your brain. Week 1 is all about clearing out the malware, because right now, your brain is infected with cognitive errors and mind traps that are sabotaging every decision you make. Days 1 through 3, internal versus external focus. Stop obsessing over the external economy, the recession, the job market, government policy, all the stuff you can't control. Robert Kiyosaki has this concept. You have two economies, the external economy that's on the news and your internal economy, your willpower, your skills, your mindset. Most people spend 90% of their energy worrying about the external economy. Meanwhile, successful entrepreneurs don't even care about it because they've built an internal economy that works in any external conditions. When the market crashes, they see opportunities. When everyone's panicking, they're buying. So for the first 3 days, every time you catch yourself complaining about the economy or job market or how things are, stop and ask, what can I actually control here? That's your internal economy. That's your power. Days 4 through 7, identify your mind traps. Now that you're focused internally, you need to clear out the thinking errors. Start spotting the spotlight effect, that false belief that everyone is watching and judging your every move. They're not. Everyone's too busy worrying about themselves. Catch yourself falling for confirmation bias, where you only seek information that supports what you already believe. For these 4 days, intentionally seek out opposing viewpoints. Read articles from sources you disagree with. Try to argue against your own position. It's uncomfortable, but that discomfort means the malware is being deleted. Week 2 is where theory becomes action. Days 8 through 10. Systems over goals. Stop setting vague goals like save money or get fit or start a business. Instead, build a system, a sequence of specific daily actions. Not I want to make more money. Instead, every Monday I connect with 3 potential clients. Not I want to get fit. Instead, every morning at 7 a.m. I do 20 push-ups. The goal tells you where to go. The system gets you there. And here's the key. You don't need motivation to follow a system. You just follow it, like brushing your teeth. Days 11 through 14, the Dhando method. This is risk minimization. The mantra is, heads I win, tails I don't lose much. Don't quit your job and YOLO into entrepreneurship. That's gambling, not business. Instead, start working on your own thing during your free hours. Keep your day job as a safety net. Look for offering gaps, services or products that should exist but don't. Address them with a low-cost prototype. Richard Branson started Virgin Atlantic with a leased plane he could return if it failed. Zero risk. That's the Dhando method. Structure deals where you can't lose. Quick reality check. If you've ever set a New Year's resolution that died by January 15th, drop a skeleton in the comments. Because what I'm about to tell you is why that keeps happening and how to make sure it never happens again. Week 3 is about leverage and mastery. Days 15 through 18, strategic cloning. Here's something nobody tells you. You don't need to be original. You need to be effective. Bill Gates didn't invent the operating system. Sam Walton didn't invent retail. They cloned what already worked and made minor tweaks. Mon Pabrai says being a great cloner puts you 90% ahead of everyone trying to reinvent the wheel. So for these 4 days, study successful models in your field. What are they doing right?
What can you clone and slightly improve? Stop trying to be a genius. Start being a smart copier. Days 19 through 21. Master the basics. This is crucial. Stop trying to learn advanced concepts before you understand the fundamentals. Most people memorize fancy jargon to sound smart, but they can't explain the basics in simple terms. That's scaffolding, not foundation. Naval Ravikant says if you can't rederive something from first principles, you don't actually know it.
So for these 3 days, pick one fundamental concept in your field. Could be basic math, could be the core mechanics of your industry. Study it until you can explain it to a 5-year-old. That's real knowledge. Everything else is just decoration. And here's the beautiful part. The rule of 72, a basic math concept, will make you more money than any advanced financial theory. Divide 72 by your rate of return. That's how long it takes your money to double. 10% return, your money doubles every 7.2 years. Do nothing else. Just let compounding work. Warren Buffett built his fortune on basics, not complexity. Week 4 is about resilience and building your edge. Days 22 through 24, high adaptability and beginner's mind. The greatest entrepreneurs have this supernatural ability to start over when everyone else refuses. Elon Musk gets called an idiot and jumps into a new industry. Steve Jobs got fired from Apple and said it was the best thing that ever happened to him. Why? Because they're willing to be beginners again. For these 3 days, identify one area where you're stuck, where you've climbed 2/3 up a mountain but the peak is on a different mountain entirely. Be willing to climb back down and find a new path. Treat every mistake as information. When you fall, say, "Good, now I can jump higher." That's the mindset shift that changes everything. Days 25 through 27, permissionless leverage. This is where fortunes are made now. The old model, you need someone to give you money or decide to follow you. The new model, code and media. Podcasts, YouTube, writing, building software. These don't require anyone's permission. You can just start. Joe Rogan makes $50 to $100 million a year from his podcast. No boss, no investors, just him and a microphone. For these 3 days, pick one form of permissionless leverage. Start a blog, record a podcast, write code, build something online. Just start. The barriers are gone. The only thing stopping you is you. Days 28 through 30, circle the wagons. Warren Buffett made hundreds of investments, but only 12 actually moved the needle for Berkshire Hathaway. 12 out of hundreds. So when you find a winner, a skill, a relationship, an investment, a business, you protect it fiercely. You don't sell it, you don't abandon it, you let it compound. Manish Pabrai sold 1% of Ferrari early. That mistake cost him $1 billion. So for these final 3 days, identify your winners. What's working? What has potential to become a multi-bagger? Double down on that. Cut everything else. And finally, embrace solitude. Block off time where you have nothing scheduled. No meetings, no distractions, just space to think, reflect, and plan your next move. Because the great ideas don't come when you're busy. They come when you're bored. All right, let's recap the 30-day program. Week 1, clear the malware. Focus on what you control. Identify your mind traps. Week 2, build systems, not goals. Minimize risk with the Dhando method. Week 3, clone what works. Master the basics cold. Week 4, develop adaptability. Build permissionless leverage. Protect your winners. Here's the thing. This isn't a one-time thing. This is a complete operating system upgrade. You're not just learning new skills, you're rewiring how your brain processes the world. And the beautiful part? You can start today, right now, this moment. Pick day 1. Focus on internal versus external economy. Just for today, every time you catch yourself worrying about something you can't control, redirect to something you can. That's it. That's day 1. Then tomorrow, do day 2, then day 3. One day at a time for 30 days. By the end, you won't just have new habits, you'll have a completely different operating system. So, here's my challenge. Which day are you starting with? Drop it in the comments.
And if you're serious about upgrading your entire approach to success, you need to subscribe to the Edge IQ and hit that notification bell. Because we're breaking down the exact strategies billionaires and top entrepreneurs use. Not the motivational BS, but the actual systems. 30 days, one new brain. Let's go.